Mr. Garrett, for proving 7-Up can make even a grump like you bubbly.
What? He claims to see if he's made any other factor of 1,000 errors or mistakes. Okay, back to the phones. Jeff in New York City, welcome to the EIB Network. Hello.
Mr. Limbaugh.
Yeah.
Hi, I just wondered if you read the Daily Kos today.
I've not. I never do.
Marcos, you know him?
Well, I know of him, yeah. But
He's on Oberman all the time. He
I don't watch that either.
You're too busy to be sick.
It's the holiday season, and Santa Claus has got a toy for every